Okay, this thing is actually really cool. And I'm not talking about this, I'm talking about this. This cooling device is going to cool down your whole body when you're out fishing, hiking, running, exercising, when you're going out camping, whatever, to the beach. You put this one on, that it comes with straps everywhere. I'll show you that one in a few seconds. And then you press it on. You can press it on just right here from the top, or just like take it out and then put it on. And this thing is going to have a vent, a fan that's going to be cooling down, a cooling plate that is going to be in touch with your body. You can use it on top of your shirt or under your shirt as well. Of course, this one will work better, but you can use it on top as well. This thing is pretty awesome. I'm going to just like show you how it works. By the way, this part over here, this section, we comes right here with a zipper with a pocket, so you can put your phone, you can put your keys, you can put your devices. This thing actually matches with some other designs. They have camo, they have black, they have white, they have many others, so it's just a matter of just selecting which one you want. But just having the chance to put everything inside and just going out for a run or going out exercising or hiking or whatever is actually really cool. By the way, right here on the sides, you're gonna find the clips to unstrap it really fast, and also you have the clips right here if you also want. But then you just like do click, click, take it out, and you're all set. So check it out. The thing with this one is that you can do just this, and you can take it out to charge it. This is going to be the on and off button. This is going to be the charging port for USB-C, but this is going to be the cooling plate. This thing gets really, really cold. So that's going to get in contact with your body, and just like to put it on. By the way, just take a look at this carbon fiber designs. They're really cool. Just to put it on, you do this and you just press it. And this one is all clicked, all set, ready to go. You press right here and you're going to activate that one that is going to be the cooling plate that is going to be in touch with your bag. So it's going to be cooling down your whole body. And this kind of like breathable mesh is actually really cool for when you're sweating or something like that. And we're all set, ready to go. We press right here and this one is already on. So once you do that, that is on. Oh, that is so awesome. Ooh, this thing is so, so cool. By the way, this is kind of like the button I was just saying before. You can have access yourself right here. And then you could change in the modes. And this thing is going to just cool down. It's cooling down my entire body right now, I gotta say. Like, on my chest is already cold. My back is already cold. It's just fantastic. I gotta say that whatever you're doing, if you're like exercising, if you are just like doing squats outside, if you're going to the beach, if you're going out running on the beach or something like that, this thing, you put everything inside, you strap it, you clip it, you turn it on, recharge it first, turn it on right here with this button, and you're all set, ready to go. This thing is fantastic. It's for sure gonna be my new device to cooling down when I'm going out fishing.